What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Note 20. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the flashlight or the flashlight on and off on the Note 20. So it's a fairly easy, simple process. I'm also going to show you guys how to adjust the brightness. So what we're going to want to do, if you're on your lock screen, if you're on your home screen, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and just pull down from the top. And I start from off the phone and swipe all the way down. I get this little shortcut menu that pops up. And in the shortcut menu, you can go ahead and look around. And right here, we have the flashlight. So I have it here on this screen. If you don't have it on the main screen, check the secondary screen. Make sure it's not there. Go ahead and swipe back. So as far as adjusting your brightness, what we're going to want to do, we're going to tap on the words that say flashlight. Press and click them just like that. And from here we can see that there is the flash on and off option. There's also the brightness level. So there is different levels for brightness. As you guys can see, as I am moving this around, it goes in between different brightnesses. So if you want like a lighter, not as bright a light, deselect it, lower it. If you want it a little brighter, go ahead and work it around whichever way you want. So just like that, adjust the brightness, turn it on and off. And that is my quick tutorial for turning your flashlight on and off on the Note 20, adjusting brightness. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody who might be looking for this information. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.